The winds killed the 10 children of Job and Mrs. Job. The flood snatched the lives away of precious ones in Central Texas, and this human-caused disaster may end up taking 51,000 lives in this nation, according to the University of Pennsylvania. Americans at the bottom 20% of all earners will see their annual after-tax incomes fall by 2.5%, and the top 20% will see a 2.4% boost. This is human-conceived devastation. $560 in losses for someone who reports little or no income by 2034, and more than $118,000 in gains for someone making over $3 million. Human design devastation. A person making $217,000 or more annually would receive a $12,500 tax cut. Someone making $35,000 or less would see only $150 of savings. Human designed misery. Medicaid. 70 million of us on Medicaid. Dana and I were listening to the radio, and there are people who say around this nation they hate Medicaid, and they ain't even got sense enough to know that they're on it. Because each and every state calls it something different. But these people who want to racialize poverty and say that somebody is taking, they are the very ones who have nothing without Medicaid.